Um, so here's the two-toed two-toed sloth. Yeah, we just got done watching two-toed sloths, everything like that. And these birds are okay. So it says called gray wing chum trumpeter, something like that. All right, I can see it.
Got the bird that came
That's
out.
nice.
What are we looking at?
It says right there. It says gray winged trumpeted
Trumpeter,
birds.
trumpeter, however you
Yeah.
say it.
They got their water right there, and 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 they probably got their food over there. Like,
You can't see them that much.
yeah.
I'm just gonna take a picture of them.
All right, everybody. So go ahead. I had the video on pause because so 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 y'all could see the see most of the animals, and instead of just not seeing the animals, and instead of me saying anything, like, here's the birds.
See,
Yeah.
Yeah, fine.
it's right there behind the
King
tree.
King Vulture.
That's what it is?
Yeah.
Look at the head.
Where?
Right here. See it? Let me see if I can get a video.
Um. Oh. He's he's over there, like all the way over there.
Yeah.
Gosh, the animals bites. Yeah. Now see, like this one. This one's this bird is very nice. This bird is called Victoria Crown Pigeon. See it? Yeah. Let's see. Alright. Y'all can see it just a little bit better. Like it right there. Alright, guys. Here's the monkeys. Yeah, but that's the sun though. The sun is bright, but this is this is what the monkeys look like. I think right there you could try to see them just a little bit right there. Let's try to lighten it. That's just some right there though. Trying to lighten it. All right, so guys, from right here you can see it a little bit. It's just too much sun and stuff. You know, the sun. A bit right there. Oh look, there's one right there climbing. I don't know if you can see it. All right, here goes these monkeys. I don't know what kind are these ones right here. All right. Anyways, I am in Hawaii, Honolulu, and that's why they have they have chickens everywhere. Chicken. So basically, chicken is everywhere. So it's like it's common. Again, for the Hawaii people, they see them as their own birds or something. And I ate this big chicken for lunch.
They said do not touch the glass.
Yeah, that's this guy right here. here goes the um. I don't know what kind of elephant this is, but here goes the elephants. Very nice, very nice elephants. Um, there's one right here.
It's cheating alive.
No, there's probably more cheetahs faster than this one right here.
Mom, you better back up. He gonna bring his boxing gloves up.
Bonnie, look at cheetah. Mama, it's a cheetah. Oh my God. Cheetah. I didn't know what cheetah was.
Alright, so these are the zebras. Not zebras. I meant to say giraffes. These are lions.
Oh, look, he moved.
Look at this. Wow. Ain't that nice? I think he's in timeout, and his friend over there it is probably trying to mock him. He's the turtles. I love these. They're pretty awesome. Yeah, they just here handling their business. Bird right here. See what kind of bird this is.
A very weird one.
Yeah, that's the bird.
I don't want to see nothing.
Oh wow. Alright, guys, these are the slender tails meerkats. Yeah, I can see it. They did it.
Ai, sim, Simone. Quero isso para o outro lado.
This is something. Um, don't know what they do right here or some, but yeah. Now these the birds I had adopted, and then I had let them go into this zoo, and then this kind zoo had took them in, but they probably don't remember me because it's been about 3 years